What happened to my pronunciation? You might be asking that question, right? It leaves a lasting impression of intelligence and refinement. It's all about being heard, respected, and remembered. In English, there are some letters who can make many sounds. That's where it gets tricky. And that's why you need to pay attention. Pay close attention. First consonant sound is always soft. So soft. And most important, if you know the contraction, then you can sing English songs. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. I forgot. Okay. Let me check. Yeah. Chef kiss. Problem. One student struggled and studied hard. Why? Because he wanted to improve his pronunciation. But he has no clear-cut solution. What happened to my pronunciation? You might be asking that question, right? Yeah, you're right to question that. Because I haven't been speaking with accurate pronunciation. And when you don't speak with accurate pronunciation, people might question your credibility and ability to pronounce English words. So that's why you need to focus on your pronunciation. It is important to speak and read with accurate pronunciation because it builds clarity, credibility, and confidence. On top of that, it sharpens your listening skills, which helps you to connect with others smoothly. Besides, it leaves a lasting impression of intelligence and refinement. So whether you are a public speaker or a learner or a teacher, accurate pronunciation isn't about sounding right. It's all about being heard, respected, and remembered. So that's why you need to learn pronunciation. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to improve your pronunciation. First, we will go through some basics. Go through means I will tell you about basic rules of pronunciation. Basic rules of pronunciation. Number one, you need to know the pronunciation of English letters. Why? Because you might be saying that I know the pronunciation of English letters. I don't need to know that G. No. You need to know that. Because in English, there are some letters who can make many sounds. That's where it gets tricky. And that's why you need to pay attention. Pay close attention. And number two, pronunciation of some special sounds. Yeah, there are some sounds which are only English-like sounds. Like sh, si, she, j, z. Yeah, you need to focus on that as well. And now, number three, blended consonants. What is blended consonants? When two consonants combine together and produce one sound. For example, C and L together produce the sound of claw. And here you need to focus on the first consonant sound. First consonant sound is always soft, so soft, like claw, clear, not clear, clear. And then you need to focus on ed endings, pronunciation of suffixes, and pronunciation of contraction. It is so important in pronunciation. Contraction helps you to understand the native speakers properly and easily. And most important, if you know the contraction, then you can sing English songs. For example, if the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over. So here, point to be noted, I'd wanna be next to you. I and would became I'd here. That is called contraction. So know these basic rules and improve your pronunciation. And now, I'm going to reveal the secrets. One of the most effective ways to improve your pronunciation, that is called, I forgot. Okay, let me check. Yeah, chef kiss. That is called shadowing. But there are many types of shadowings. There are many ways to practice shadowings. But the type I'm going to be talking about now, that is step number one, choose the video 5 minutes max and then play the video. Don't watch the video at a stretch. Play the video and then listen to one sentence first. For example, the YouTuber is saying, or the speaker is saying, "Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about da da da." Then you will say, stop the video and start mimicking the speaker. "Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about da da da." Like that. That's called shadowing. And here, it is a combination of copying and listening. But you need to focus on listening more. Listen properly. Listen how they are pronouncing the words. And here I'm talking about active listening, not passive listening. Listen carefully. And while watching, watch their lips, like lip movements and jaw movements. How they are dropping their jaw and moving their lips. And here, one bonus thing. While doing shadowing, while copying the speaker, always overdo your mouth movement. If it is important, you will say important. If it is tree, you will say tree, tree, tree. Not 3 times, but tree. Overdo your mouth movement and exaggerate your mouth. It will be really useful for you. So, this technique is for time poor people and lazy people who don't want to learn the basics, who doesn't have too much time, who don't have time to practice all those basics. So that is the go-to solution for them. Do that. These are the techniques, these are the methods you can apply in order to improve your pronunciation. And one more thing, if you are wondering, thinking that where can I find this information? So don't worry. In the description, I have linked a PDF, a full-fledged PDF where I have covered all the basics as well as the special technique like shadowing and mouth muscle training and all. You can get access to that for free. And wise people, you might be asking, you might be saying, free? If the product is free, then you are the product. No. That rule doesn't apply here. Okay? So you can get access to that PDF for absolutely free. If you liked that video, please give that video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe